We've all heard the terminology, this stock is traded up in the pre-market, or this stock has failed in the post-market, or after hours, this stock is trading down. And you're sitting there looking at your portfolio, what do you mean it's trading down in the aftermarket, or it's up in the pre-market? What does that mean? How can I buy my stock? How can I buy or sell in the pre-market or post-market? And yes, you can do that in TD Ameritrade. And I'm going to show you exactly what that is and how to do it in this video. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned in to the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dykes, coming to you guys and girls live all the way from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you've heard about the pre-market. The pre-market, essentially, it goes from the actual market opens up at 9:30 a.m. East Coast time all the way until 4 p.m. East Coast time. So the pre-market is a market that opens up at 7 a.m. East Coast time and goes all the way until 9:28 a.m. Right before the market opens, you can trade stocks for about 2 hours and 28 minutes to be exact. And when the market closes at 4 p.m., the market in the post-market or after hours market, or some people call it extended hours market, from 4 p.m. all the way to 8 p.m., you can trade stocks as well, East Coast time. That's considered aftermarket. So before the market opens up, you get about 2.5 hours where you can buy and sell stock. And once the market is closed from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m., you can buy and sell stock. This is very risky if you buy and sell before the market because it doesn't correlate into the market, all of the good jazz like that. I will show you the disclosure on that, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with TD Ameritrade and how to get the details on TD Ameritrade as well. So here I just got some random penny stock pulled up, and you buy it just like any other stock. You hit the buy button. Once you hit that buy button down here, you're going to get your little ticker or ticket that comes down at the bottom. You want to buy it, or if you want to sell. So if we want to buy one share. And also, this is a big thing. It has to be a limit order. A limit order is when you put in a particular price. You got to put in a particular price. Right now, this penny stock closed Friday at 67 cents. Let's say if you want to buy for 65 cents in the pre-market. So right here where it says time and force, you're going to go down here to extended hours AM. That means from 7 a.m. to 9:28 a.m. before the market opens up. You want to put it there. Or if you want to do it after the market is closed, you go extended hours PM. So for some people that they don't care where it is, they want the day and they want extended hours, you can go, I don't care if you get it during the day when the market is actually open from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. I want you to do extended hours, whatever the case may be. But let's say if you want to do it before the market opens up, you want to be able to buy this stock for 65 cents. And then you're going to go there, you're going to click review. Once you click review, down here at the bottom, it got extended hours disclaimer. You can click on that. The orders and the OTCB disclaimer. You got the quote disclaimer, all that good stuff. And that's going to take you to here. It's going to give you the details. It's going to tell you when the market is open, the different type of order types, placing orders, executing orders. This is the disclaimer here. And it's going to give you all the rules when you click on that bottom piece. Extended hours risk. You got risk of liquidity, high volatility. Markets can move up and down faster. And it's not as accurate in the pre and after market. You're going to get all of that stuff put into here. Now, once you have that, you're going to click place order, and you're going to place your order. And that's how you buy and sell during the pre-market. So until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me do around the globe, peace, be safe, I'm out, and